Okay, guys, so we're going to be looking at exactly how to calculate risk to reward and ensure that we're constantly using 1% of our account maximum as risk per trade. This ensures that when you lose a trade, you're only losing 1 out of 100 necessary losses to actually lose that account. So if you lose 100 times in a row, then you're definitely doing something wrong with your strategy. So this gives you an allowance of 100 trades. Okay, so that's why we're going to figure out how to calculate the value of our entry to our stop loss, and then we're going to adjust our position size within the exchange platform in a way that ensures that we're constantly only risking 1%. So first thing we're going to do is look at our entry here, and there's the bottom of this whole level, and we're using our measure tool here so we can actually see 16%, 17%. What is it? We're going to go right behind there, about 18% or so. Yeah. Let's just go 20% just to make it easy on us. Okay. So we're going to say it's about 20% of this area that we need to cover. Okay. So now we're in our exchange platform. We're currently looking at Femex. This is a small little account, just $200 on here, just play around. So we're going to use this as the exchange platform. So we're going to go into our leverage, and we're going to go all the way up to 100x. Okay. So that way 1% move on Bitcoin is going to equal a 100% profit or loss in terms of how our position size moves. Okay, so the value of our position once we're in a trade will be up 100% if our position goes in favor and Bitcoin moves by 1%. Okay, so first thing we want to do is we want to go look at our hold level, our entry price. So we're going to go to limit order, which ensures that you're entering at a specific set price. And this is cool on the app here. You can actually just click on the screen and you can see that it adjusts the price of our entry. So we can just click on the screen to set the price that way. So nice little visual tool. Now we have that whole level. We're on the same 5-minute chart on our exchange that we were on within TradingView. So we can see our entry is this whole level here. Okay. So we're setting our entry. Now what we have to do is we have to go into our little slider tool here to go to the percent of our account that we want to use. So on average, you could just say, let's go use 1% of our account. So now we're going to make sure that we have the right value by going into our stop loss, take profit. I'm going to set our stop loss, and we're going to see what percent of our account we're risking for that stop. So we can see it's $2.33. Okay, so this is a $200 account, so we actually want it to be 33 cents lower. So now all we really got to do is we're going to go in here into BTC instead of USDT, so we can actually look at the amount of, I'm going to do 0.04, 0.3. Let's do 0.3, and there we go, $2. So you can see how we did that. We just went into BTC, went 0.03, and that is the a right amount that we can use to size up our position order so that we're only risking exactly 1%. So you can use the little slider tool at the beginning, see if you can get it. If you can get close enough, that's fine. But if it's more than if it's more than 1%, a significant amount more, then just go into that little tool there, go to BTC instead of USDT, and don't use the slider tool. Just type it in manually, the right position size. Okay.